Today I'm going to make a really quick treat for Rick, and it's going to be chocolate chip cookies with bacon. So I'm going to use some very instant ingredients here because when he wants cookies he's kind of hungry. And I'm going to make them in a Cook's Essentials air fryer. So all I did was I started with Nestle's Toll House cookies. And these are already made and they're ready to bake. Can't get any more instant than that. So there's 12 here in the pack, and we're going to take them apart and we're going to mix them with some fully cooked bacon, Oscar Mayer. So let me get this open too. And I'm just going to take a couple of slices out of here. I'm going to take a piece of parchment paper to work on. I use these sheets for baking cookies, but I also use them a lot for just keeping the mess off the table. Alright, so we're going to take a few slices of bacon. I'm just going to try this with a few cookies. Take one of these large cookie dough pieces, and I'm going to cut up some bacon into little tidbits. So I'm just going to use the scissors here and cut little pieces. And this is fully cooked, but they recommend that you heat it to make it nice to eat. But we're going to heat it inside the cookie. Did you ever have chocolate chip bacon cookies? Okay. Alright. Now I'm just going to soften this up a little bit with my fingers and add some pieces of bacon. Make sure. So these are the ultimate chocolate chip lovers. They have the real big chunks of chocolate chips. So you can see the bacon sticking out of there. And I'm going to use a piece of parchment paper that fits in the air fryer because I cut it that way. Now this air fryer has holes in the bottom that lets the heat come through, but we're going to cover it because my experience with making cookies in the air fryer is sometimes they get stuck in the holes. So we're just going to put a couple cookies in here at one time on the parchment. Alright. I think that one's loaded with bacon. I think we'll make 4 to start. And then I think we're going to have Rick stop in here at the end and taste them. Tell you what he thinks. Instant chocolate chip bacon cookies. Sometimes I use the really fast ingredients instead of starting from scratch. But okay, now take a look in the air fryer container. I smashed these down a little bit. I'm sure they'll spread out. But that's what we have. 4 nice size cookies here. And I'm going to stick them in right now and start baking. Alright, here we go. We're going to bake in the air fryer. I'm going to put this on for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. And we'll check it in a couple minutes and see how it's doing. Should be good. Okay, I'm going to take these out a little bit early because I can smell the chocolate and the bacon, and the cookies are just about done. So this is 7 minutes. Can you see that? Look how nice and golden brown they are. So we're going to let them cool off a little bit. I'm going to do that by taking the inside of the air fryer container out and just letting them sit out here and cool. It's kind of like a wrap. Alright, so we'll give it a couple minutes and we'll be back and let Rick give them a taste. Okay, they're starting to cool off, so let's take a closer look. I'm going to put them on a plate here. Wow, they really smell good. I'll put 3 on here. That looks nice. And as soon as they cool off a little bit more, good. They're all done and cooled off a little bit. I got a nice mug of milk here. Hey Rick, want to try these?
What is it?
Something you're gonna like.
Hamburgers?
Chocolate chip, bacon, cookies. Here, have some milk.
You want me to taste the cookie?
Oh, I thought you liked to dunk them.
Well, let's taste it first.
Okay.
What's in there?
Bacon. You smell it?
Mm. Mm.
It's too bright. Are they good?
Mm-hmm. That's good. Why'd you think of that?
I don't know. I thought about making you a snack. And I thought of bacon.
And cookies. Thank you.
I'm glad you like them.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's an instant one. Can't get any quicker than that. And it's a use for your air fryer too. Thanks for watching our video.
Bye. Thank you. Can I eat the rest?
Sure.